So today we have Soumya Gupta with us at our channel, and we are going to talk about the preparation for JEE Mains and JEE Advance. Soumya has recently cleared her JEE Advance with a very good ranking. So Soumya, congratulations. सबसे पहले हमारे ऑडियंस को ये बताएं कि जब आप जेई मेंस की तैयारी करेंगे तो आप अपनी स्कूल स्टडीज और आप अपने कोचिंग की स्टडीज को कैसे बैलेंस करेंगे?
Managing school studies along with ongoing preparation for mains and advance is not quite a very tough job because when you're preparing for your mains, that is going to be in January before your boards, then three of your main subjects, that is physics, chemistry, and maths, already gets prepared once you're preparing for your mains. So for boards, आपको कुछ एक्स्ट्रा नहीं करना पड़ता इन थ्री सब्जेक्ट्स के लिए. बस आप ये चीज़ कर सकते हो दैट यू कैन ट्राई आंसर्स बाय राइटिंग देम बिकॉज कई बार होता है कि वी नो द कंसेप्ट बट वी डोंट नो हाउ टू राइट द आंसर, हाउ टू एक्सप्रेस द आंसर. सो फॉर बोर्ड्स आप बेस वही होता है, बस यू जस्ट हैव टू ट्राई बाय राइटिंग आंसर्स, प्रैक्टिस बाय राइटिंग आंसर्स. एंड for the other subjects, your strategy should be such that you are giving at least 3 to 4 hours in a week. I think that would be sufficient. And the most important thing when it comes to preparation for your boards is that you should try to give as much question papers, as much past year question papers as you can. Because in my case, I think I haven't done anything extra. मैंने बस थ्योरी करी है एंड मैंने पास्ट ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स जितना हो सके आई हैव डन.
हाँ सौम्या, द प्रॉब्लम जो बच्चों को आती है वो ये आती है कि बहुत बार जो कोचिंग सेंटर्स पर दूसरे टॉपिक पढ़ाए हुए होते हैं और स्कूल में दे टीच यू डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स. सो हाउ डू यू बैलेंस डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स बीइंग टॉट एट अ कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूट एंड अ डिफरेंट टॉपिक एट स्कूल?
Still, anyhow, I was giving same preference to my school studies and my coaching studies as well. So basically, school studies used to take less time in comparison to what I was studying in my coaching. So I used to divide my time in the ratio of 3 is to 5. Like if I'm studying 8 hours per day, then my 3 hours were only and only fixed for my school studies and nothing else. Because focusing only on school studies and only on coaching studies is not going to help you anyway. Because if you have to excel in your boards examination and also your competitive exams, then you have to focus on both of them. Even the patterns of JEE mains and advanced and your boards examination is very different. So it's very important to give time to both your school and your coaching materials. Even there have been times when I had to leave my school, I had to miss my school because of my self studies. But then also I was keeping myself up to date, like I was taking notes from my friends, plus I was in my free time I was watching online lectures of the topics which I missed in school. Plus whenever I got free time in my school, then I was going to the teachers personally to help me in understanding the concerned topics. So this is how it goes.
All right. So, Soumya, can you share your routine of studies while you were preparing for your class 12th boards and you were preparing for your JEE mains? What routine of studies did you follow?
If I talk about me, then my strategy was like you. I used to make timetable for 1 or 2 months in advance, and it was like I used to write that on this particular date. On this particular date, I have to complete these particular topics. फिर वो चाहे कितना भी time लेता हो, कितना भी time consuming हो, but my daily task was that before going to sleep, I have to do these topics. उसके questions practice होने चाहिए, उस completely वो topic revise होना चाहिए, उसकी theory complete होनी चाहिए. So yeah, plus in chemistry, what I used to do is I used to make a lot of short notes. Even if you are only appearing for your boards, still it is advisable that if you make short notes in chemistry, literally it's going to help you a lot. Plus, as everyone know कि physics, chemistry, maths इनमें काफ़ी 2 years के फॉर्मूलेज बहुत ज़्यादा होते हैं. लाइक इट्स क्वाइट अ चैलेंजिंग टास्क वो फॉर्मूलेज को सारा माइंड में रखना. So for that I used to do one thing. I used to write all the formulas
सौम्य, हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज कोचिंग? कोचिंग से आपको लगता है कि आपको सचमुच हेल्प मिली and it helped you clear your JEE main and JEE advanced with a very good ranking?
I think it totally depends on a student whether he she needs coaching or not, because when you are attending coaching classes, of course you are studying the same topic again, you are going through the same concept again, so of course your base gets stronger, plus you get in-depth knowledge about a particular topic, and also you get more questions to practice. But sometimes, even in my case, I think coaching proved to be very helpful, to be very beneficial for me. But I think sometimes what happens it becomes very hectic for students to maintain their school studies plus their coaching studies, plus then they don't get time for their self study. And I think the reason behind this is that most of the students don't know how to manage their time effectively. They don't know how to utilize their time. Like if I talk at personal level, there was a strict timetable which I was following. Like I used to wake up at a particular time, I used to sleep at a particular time. Even if I was watching television for an hour, there used to be a guilt in myself that I wasted 1 hour in just watching television. So आप जितना टाइम सेव कर सकते हो उतना आप उसको अपनी स्टडीज़ में इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हो. सो काफ़ी चीज़ें आपको कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ करनी पड़ती है ऑफ कोर्स, बट एट द एंड द सैक्रिफाइसेस विच यू आर मेकिंग दे डोंट इवन मैटर. इन द एंड व्हाट मैटर्स इज़ योर रिजल्ट. वो इतने फ्रूटफुल होते हैं फिर, लाइक ये सब चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करती.
सौम्या, हमारे ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ में जेई मेंस, जेई एडवांस और काउंसलिंग के बारे में अगर आप बताएं तो आई विल बी ग्रेटफुल.
So for JEE Mains, we are given two attempts in a year. The first JEE Main is conducted in January, and the second JEE Mains is conducted in April, right after 15 to 20 days after our board's examination. And the JEE Advance is held in May. So basically, once JEE Advanced result is out, JOSA counseling gets started. So in total, we have to fill colleges according to our preference order, and in total there are 7 cutoffs and 7 rounds, and there are also 2 spot rounds in case seats are left in IITs, NITs, triple ITs, and other institutes. So basically, right after the release of our first cutoff, we are given 3 options, that is float, freeze, and slide. In case we are satisfied with a college and a branch, then we have to go for freeze. If we are satisfied with a college but not with the branch, then we have to go for slide. And if we want some other college or some other branch, then we have to go for float. So we have to be very careful while choosing colleges and only opt for those colleges in which we are willing to go if given an option. So currently, two cutoffs have already been released, and I've got computer science in Motilal Nehru National Institute of Technology, Allahabad. So of course, I'm very satisfied with my college because it's one of the best NIT in India. But still, I have chosen float in case I get some other NIT, some other IIT better than this. So let's hope for the best.
सो जब आपका काउंसलिंग हुआ, आपको क्या फिजिकल काउंसलिंग के लिए जाना पड़ा?
So there is no need of any physical counseling until and unless our college gets decided. So because nowadays everything is done online. It's just that once we all the cutoffs are over and once all the rounds are over, then we have to make a visit to the college which we got in our JOSA counseling for the further admission process.
ऑल राइट. सो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे जो मुझे आपकी बातों से समझ आया वो ये आया कि अगर आपने मेंटल मेकअप कर लिया है, आपका स्ट्रेंथ लाइज हियर, इफ यू हैव डिसाइडेड, then nothing is impossible, and you have to be mentally prepared for a lot of hard work and a lot of self discipline with yourselves. So I request the audience to stay tuned and keep subscribing and sharing, because the aim of this channel is to bring out authentic information from the authentic sources. And if it could help the needy, I will be grateful. I would also request the audience, if you have some special questions to ask, or if you have some important information which is good for the student community, please share in the comment column. Thank you so much.